Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. This is useful if you are having connection issues, want to reconnect with a new password, or simply want to remove old saved Wi-Fi network. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here we will search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. In the setting window, click on Network and Internet from the left sidebar. Now click on Wi-Fi. After that, select Manage Non-Networks. Then forget the Wi-Fi network. Here you will see a list of all Wi-Fi networks saved on your computer. You can just simply click on Forget to forget it. Windows 11 will immediately remove the saved password and setting for that network. That's it. If you want to connect again later, simply save the Wi-Fi network from the Wi-Fi list and enter the password again. That's it. You have successfully forgotten Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.